Alright guys, this video is if you're out plowing and you're just having non-stop issues with your Fisher Minute Mount 1. Alright, so this is going to be any Fisher product that uses this style controller. It just happens to be I have it on a Minute Mount 1. I know I had it on a Dakota I had at one point with the same plow setup. So the issue is you keep losing power to your controller. And it seems like when you wiggle the wires up on the harness, it's making a difference in this, right? Or maybe even the solenoid underneath the hood or the ECU. All these different things seem like it's making a difference, but what keeps happening is as you're plowing, you notice like your light is like flashing or completely off in general. My God, we have so much snow here. The snowbanks behind these cars are like literally like as tall as the car, actually over the car. There's like a 12-foot snowbank over there. We're about to get another foot. Anyhow, how to fix this? All right, so I've already fixed mine, so I'm gonna just tell you what I did. So I kept noticing no matter what I did to diagnose it, it seemed like it was other things, but ended up being this joystick altogether. And I'm sure I'm not the only one that's had this issue, because once I found the problem, I think it's gonna be pretty common. So these are hard to find online, so this is how to fix it rather than replace it, and these are kind of expensive now. What you're gonna notice is you're getting no signal, it's off or it's flickering. You remove this from its bracket. It normally has a bracket like this. There's some screws up underneath it. There's gonna be a screw on the bottom here and a screw on the bottom here. Remove it from the little metal bracket, so then this controller pops off. When you flip the controller upside down, on the bottom side, like not here, but the bottom, you're gonna see a silver Phillips, or no, just a normal screw. And it's also like an 8mm. There's a Phillips here and here. You remove it and separate it, and this top piece will separate from the bottom, and this joystick is mounted to a circuit board. When you pull the circuit board out, you're gonna notice that there's a piece on the circuit board that goes to this on-off switch. So it's hard to see. See this right here? There's actually a switch right there. See how it's going with the light? When you see the circuit board that this little switch mounts to, there's 3 pins in the circuit board. After hitting snowbanks for years and years and years, it's actually rattled loose. So if you take the little switch on the circuit board and with the key on and this on the on position, if you wiggle that at all, you'll notice that it'll start making a difference. That's the actual cause of why you're not getting power anywhere. All it takes is a quick solder. You can go right to Harbor Freight. They sell a soldering kit for 20 bucks. It even comes with the actual solder itself. You heat it up, drip it onto it so it gets sealed again to the actual circuit board and it's tight, and then it'll actually fix that issue. You'll have constant power and no longer be fighting your plow over and over and over, and you don't have to pay a bunch of money to one, find one of these, and two, it likely is either, if it's a used one, it probably has the same problem, or it's going to be expensive. So happy plowing. I get at it. I've been messing with this for a little while now. It is time to clean up the car lot. So see you in the next one.